Welcome back, and you're watching Closing Trades here on Nifty now, and we are joined by Nagaraj Shetti, Senior Technical Research Analyst at HDFC Securities. Nagaraj, great having you. What do you make of the move on the market today? It's been such a strong move, and I understand that some part of the move is because or due to the fact that we've seen Reliance move well, contributing nearly 50 points positive to the Nifty. But it's also the breadth, right? So there's plenty of support.
Yes, hi, good afternoon. Rightly said, market was moving in a range-bound action. Some choppy movement was there. Market has been repeatedly tested a strong hurdle around 26,200, 300 levels. What was the important that on the larger term charts, the market was finding supports on the every higher rise, higher bottoms. Higher bottoms were frequently formed. That itself indicated that the market is creating some base for the sailing towards the resistance. And I'm expecting from here onwards, market could retest the important hurdle of around 26,300 levels, and we could see some consolidation at the higher level, and finally we could see Nifty breaking above 26,200, 300 levels decisively over the near in the next at least 1 to 2 weeks.
Right, interesting. So, Nagaraj, what are the sectors or stocks that you're betting on? Anything that comes to your mind which looks like it's going to have a more sustainable move in the new year?
Yeah, I have two stocks. First one is from a shipping side. G Shipping. Chartically, this stock has been in a larger consolidation pattern. Long-term chart remains intact with a strong uptrend. High tops, high bottoms on the chart is indicating the strength in the upside momentum. Currently placed at the edge of upside breakout of downsloping trend line somewhere around 113035 levels. I'm expecting more upside for the short term. One can look to buy at this point of time, currently trading around 113435. The initial upside target would be around 1170, 1180 levels. One can place a stop loss at 1100. Second one is GMR Airport. GMR Airport is in a strong uptrend. Recently showed some kind of a consolidation. Triangle type of pattern has been found on the daily chart, and the stock price is currently placed at the breakout of a converging triangle pattern somewhere around 105 levels. Currently trading around 10420. One can look to buy at this point of time. Initial upside target would be around 109. One can place a stop loss at 100.
Joining us also is Sunil Subramaniam, founder and CEO at Sense and Simplicity. Sunil, great having you. Sunil, give us a sense, one sector that's to some extent underperformed is the Nifty IT index, and it's obviously well off the high.
How sustainable is it looking?
Yeah, looks like a strong breakout. Recently, we have seen sharp momentum from 530 to almost 640, 100 rupees higher. But chartically, though placed at the higher level, there is no indication of any tiredness at the highs. I'm expecting a decisive breakout to come sooner from around the 645, 650 levels. And once it breaks above this hurdle, the overall chart pattern looks like with the volume breakout. And I'm expecting the next hurdles to be watched on the resistance on the upper side would be around 700.
Okay, Wockhardt is the other one in focus. We spoke about it briefly. The European Medicines Agency, which is the EMA, has fast-tracked the antibiotic WCK 5222, which is Zenich, and as a result of that, the stock 3%. One of the pegs for that likely is that Morgan Stanley PTE has picked up a stake in RK Forgings. Stock is up 3.7% odd. Let's pull that one up. What's the view with regard to charts, Nagaraj, on this one?
Yeah, recently what we can expect is for sustainable upside bounce from here onwards. So we have seen some sharp decline recently and immediate pullback from the lower levels, from the lows of around 475, 480, and the stock is showing some consolidation breakout at this point of time. Overall chart development is indicating the formation of important bottom reversal for the stock price around 475, 480 levels. From here onwards, I'm expecting a sharp breakout from here onwards, and the next overhead resistance to be watched around 545 to 550 in the next couple of weeks.
Raj, we'll let you go on that note. So thank you so much for coming in and wishing you a very, very happy 2026. Of course, we'll see you on the other side. of this new year. So see you. Kunal though.